Arms. Arms. Oh, spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, and so round. Why are you staring at me? Why are you whispering to one another? With my eyes, I cannot see, but I know that you are all staring at me. Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness Mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. And suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard from the door. The deep silence. Did the cruel neighbors discover our peaceful home? Mother went to the side, pleading, please Louise, I'm in the cellar. There in the cellar, we cannot find you. I pulled my father's arm, but he didn't move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came barking it. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roar, the ugliest of them all! Yes, said my father. You were under arrest, said one of the beasts. They put father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them after a while. We were very hungry, thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese meeting. Oh, how amas the water from the delicious fruits they were eating. Suddenly, I heard a voice. Consuelo. Oscar. Consuelo. Oscar. Consuelo. Oscar. We ran towards the direction of the voice. But it was too late. We saw father hanging on the tree. Then, oh, it was terrible. He had badly beaten before he died. And I cried, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance. Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a sign for us quite a shelter to hide out. But I couldn't leave my poor invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to hide out. But suddenly, bombs start falling! Helmets are running from everywhere! Canyons are driving everywhere! Boom! Boom! Boom!
May kumain kayo. Kumain kayo dami. Hindi na kayo nakakain.
Mother was hit! Her legs were shattered into pieces! It was in my arms. Christ, vengeance! Vengeance! No, Oscar. Vengeance. It's God. But I cried, vengeance! Vengeance! I was like Penta Volcano! Vengeance is mine, that the Lord! No, Oscar. Vengeance is not
Uy,
ours.
kumain ka na.
It's God. These were the words from my mother before she died. Mother was dead, and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. To forgive is divine. But vengeance is written. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, and so round. Vengeance is not ours. It's God. It's God. It's Vengeance is not ours. It's God's.